Imagine creating a company that changes the world. The one morning you wake up and find out you have been fired from your own company. 5 days later, you are back as CEO. No, this is not a Netflix series. This is the unbelievable story of Sam Altman, the man behind ChatGPT and one of the biggest names in artificial intelligence. But here is the crazy part. His biggest success did not come from being the smartest person in the room. It came from taking bold risks, learning from failure, and never giving up. Let's dive into his journey. Sam Altman was born in 1985 in St. Louis, Missouri. At just 8 years old, he got his first computer. While most kids were busy playing games, Sam was fascinated by how computers actually worked. He spent hours learning programming and solving problems. That curiosity became his biggest superpower. Years later, he joined Stanford University to study computer science, but something didn't feel right. Instead of spending 4 years in classrooms, he wanted to build something real. So he made a decision that shocked everyone. He dropped out, a risky move, but sometimes the biggest opportunities require the biggest risk. Sam's first startup was called Looped. It was a location sharing app that allowed friends to see where each other were. Sounds normal today? But back then, it was years ahead of its time. The company raised millions of dollars, yet it never became a massive success. Eventually, Looped was sold. Most people would have called it a failure. Sam called it an experience because every mistake taught him something new about building companies. That's a lesson every entrepreneur should remember. Your first idea doesn't have to change the world, it just has to teach you enough to build the next one. In 2014, Sam became the president of Y Combinator. If, if you have never heard of it, Y Combinator is the startup accelerator that helped companies like Airbnb, Stripe, Dropbox, and Reddit grow into billion-dollar businesses. Instead of building just one company, Sam was now helping hundreds of founders build theirs. He learned one important thing: the biggest companies are not created by luck, they are built by solving real problems better than anyone else. That idea stayed with him, and soon he was about to build something that would change history. In 2015, Sam co founded OpenAI. The goal was not just to build smarter software, the mission was much bigger: create artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. For years, almost nobody paid attention. The team quietly researched AI while the world focused on social media and smartphones. Then, November 2022 happened. OpenAI launched ChatGPT within months. Millions of people were using it to write, learn, code, study, and create. The AI revolution had officially begun. Just when everything seemed perfect, disaster struck. In November 2023, OpenAI's board suddenly, OpenAI's board suddenly fired Sam Altman. The internet exploded. Employees were shocked. Investors were shocked. Even Microsoft publicly supported him. Then something, then something happened. Think what? Think what? What happened? Think what? Then something happened. 5 days later, he was back as a CEO because nearly every OpenAI employee threatened to resign unless Sam returned. One of the fastest corporate comebacks in history. Today, Sam Altman continues leading OpenAI while helping shape the future of artificial intelligence. Whether AI transforms every industry or creates new challenges, one thing is certain: Sam Altman has already changed the course of technology, and his journey teaches us three powerful lessons. Number one, don't fear failure, it teaches you more than success. Number two, think long term, the biggest opportunities often take years to pay off. Number three, build something that solves a real problem and the world will notice. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, subscribe for more inspiring entrepreneur case studies, and comment below. But keep one thing in your mind: if Sam Altman can do, then you can definitely do. So I'll wait to hear your story in the comment box, that how from now years onward you became a very successful entrepreneur, and also write down in the comment which entrepreneur should we cover Next, stay tuned to studyresearch.in for such more exciting stories, and let me know how you like this story and how Sam Altman inspired you to be the next biggest name in the entrepreneurial world.